Good morning, gentlemen. So today we're going to be continuing our journey at looking at business brands. So how does a business build a strong brand? Well, first and foremost, they must identify the target audience or the market segment that they're seeking to appeal to. And they do this through market research. So only once consumers relate to the product, they feel like it's personalized to them, it meets their needs and wants, will they find a reason to buy that product, use it, and hopefully be up to their expectations. The business then must identify its unique selling point and understand the value it creates for customers, whether that be tangible value or emotional value. So a business really must understand the problem it solves for customers. How does it help their customers satisfy their needs and wants? The business then must use the right advertising platforms to promote the product. And these must align with how the business wants to project its brand image. If a business is seeking to do a premium brand image, they really want to appeal to the top end of the market. They want to come across as luxurious. They really want to promote their product in channels that support that premium nature of their business. So they might want to avoid putting their advertising in perhaps areas that might be construed as being more budget. So, for example, advertising on the community notice boards in supermarkets or recreation centres, that might not align with that premium nature of the brand that the business is trying to promote. So they might seek to get into a magazine that's really going to appeal to the market as being a luxurious product. They also might want to be on primetime television, which is really going to support that premium nature of the product if it's able to get premium advertising space on primetime television. The business is going to need to foster, so that's create, support, and nurture healthy customer relationships where customers want to interact with the brand. They want that brand to be integrated into their lifestyle. They want to wear the product, use the product, talk about the product to their friends, and are open. They're comfortable about giving the business feedback on the brand and their products. They feel that there's an emotional connection with the brand, and just like you would with a person you have an emotional connection with, you want to be honest with, let them know if they're doing something that's not quite up to scratch, but also give them positive feedback when they're doing things really well and are helpful to you. Finally, the business is going to need to package their product in a way that boosts, so improves or supports that business's brand image. If a business is going for a budget brand, which is absolutely fine, budget brands are highly in demand, particularly at times of economic trouble, it wouldn't make sense for the business to package their product luxuriously. It would in fact be quite confusing to the customer. It might give the impression to the customer that the business's priorities are wrong. The customer who might be price conscious could take the impression of, well, this packaging must have cost the business an extra 20 cents per product, and I don't want to have to pay that extra 20 cents in my purchase price. I'd be happy with a budget clear plastic packaging as opposed to a printed cardboard box which has got nice gold writing on it or something very luxurious. So packaging is definitely going to support that business's brand image because it's often the first thing a customer sees about the product or potential customers when they're looking in store and considering the product. Alrighty guys, today's activity involves completing task 9A to C on pages 14 to 16. Now that looks like a lot of pages there, but as you'll find out, these activities aren't quite as strenuous as the number of pages might suggest. Any questions or issues, please email me at t.horrocks@ags.school.nz. All the best with today's learning, guys. Kia kaha.